Hello everyone, here are the nails that I had for a couple of weeks already. I really like them. They're so different from what I did in the past months. They are a lot shorter and they're square, and also I have put on my nails a lot of things that I didn't use for a really long time. And actually I have something that I never used and I had in my collection for years already. I'm super excited to use it. This type of nail design reminds me a lot of the old style of nail art from YouTube, like the one that I felt in love in the first place from like 6 or 7 years ago, or probably more, when everyone was using a lot of nail decorations on the nail. And yeah, I really hope you guys like it too. I'm not going to do a voiceover for the entire video just because the nail design is very simple and the image is explaining everything. So I'm just going to let you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.